Federal government agencies domiciled in Ijebu Ode have been assured of necessary support that will enable them function optimally and also benefit the society. Chairman Ijebu Ode local government, Honorable Nta Ijebu Ode, penned down this assurance while playing host to management of the Nigerian Television Authority, Nta Ijebu Ode, in his office. Anthony Gandonu has more.
Speaking at the familiarization visit, the officer in charge of Nta Ijebu Ode, Abdulsalam Jimoh, said the visit is to congratulate the executive chairman for his victory at the last poll, as well synergizes for a better working relationship to actualize the dream of Ijebu State.
We are here to congratulate you, solicit your support, because we can't do it alone. Likewise, you cannot do it alone. We need to come together and synergize on how to make things to work. That's more reason why we say we should be here. We should make ourselves known to you. We should support you. We should give you support as we've been done with previous one before my deployment to this place. And I think giving support to you is giving support to the state government and giving support to the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
The chairman, Honorable Nta Ijebu Ode, while welcoming the delegation, agreed that cordial working relationship between the local government and NTA has been in existence, promising to build on the existing relationship and also improve on it.
We talk about how we have developed our roads, the infrastructure. We talk about the human capital development and how we want to elevate the youth. We've started now, so give us 6 months to 1 year, you'll start seeing how our government will perform.
Honorable Nta Ijebu Ode, who commended Nta Ijebu Ode for its professional reportage in the last local government election, also reiterated his administration's commitment to improve not only infrastructure but also human capital in Ijebu Ode. Anthony Gandonu, NTA News.